Hey friends, terrible news that I woke up to this morning, um, and I don't know what more to say about that. So I am going to be streaming for a little bit. Just thoughts and prayers and encouragement to all those affected by this terrible act in Russia and Ukraine. Yeah, literally everybody in the world is going to be affected by this, some more than others, and so just I hope you're okay wherever you are. Anyway, I am going to share my screen. I'm only going to be live streaming for about a half hour because I have a podcast to jump on board with. It will be pretty quick, but I think I'll be able to finish what I didn't quite finish yesterday. Let me just... so here, I do all of my chat and stuff on Discord. So if you want to chat, then feel free to join Discord. If you want to be notified when I'm streaming, aside from just hitting the bell on YouTube, then you can come to the upcoming meetups where I will notify folks when I'm streaming. Here we go. And also, if you want to flow, then you can flow with me too. Okay, let me mark that as red. And where is flow? So yeah, I'm just working on adding supplemental tooling to Stacks. Right now, I'm almost done with the initial Cypress tests. So I'm going to get flowing on that, and then if we finish that, then maybe I'll kind of get started on unit tests and stuff. So
let's begin.
Let us begin. Sweet. And Danny is here. Hi, Danny. Here we go. Cool. Okay, so which podcast? I am gonna be on what's it called? JS Party. I think it's actually live. I can't remember whether it's live. But I don't think it's live. But anyway, yep, that's what I'm going to be. I think it started out as live or something. But yeah, I'm going to be on there. Oh yeah, catch a live recording Thursdays at 1 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, there it is. There I am. Cool, I'll tweet this. Going to be live on JS Party in about 45 minutes.
I sense a disturbance.
Yeah, there's a little disturbance in the forest. Just hold your horses. Okay. Cool. So let's try and get this done before I have to jump onto that. So fixed database before for cascading deletes. That's right. So I just changed my schema to cascade on user deletes. So this should... actually, you know what? I think that this sets up so that when the password's deleted, the user's deleted. I don't actually want that. I want... well, maybe not. No, that's right. Yeah, so on delete, cascade, delete this. Pretty sure. Let's just double check. Prisma, on delete, cascade. Okay, let's look at Prisma docs. Okay, so we've got a post that's associated to a user. On delete, on update. Yeah, okay. Probably want an update too. Okay, good. So now we're gonna basically, I've got a Docker container running with the Postgres database, and I want to completely reset it to the current state of things. So yeah, I've got that running in the background right now. So Prisma DB reset, I think. Nope. Push. Okay. Good. Prisma migrate dev. I'm not sure why that just is hanging. That should not be hanging. Maybe because I didn't make it. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, okay. Just make it all good. Okay, there we go. Good, so we have only one migration that it sets up everything. Cascade on update. Okay, sweet. You know what? Ah, dang it. On delete, cascade, on update, cascade. If a user gets deleted, all their notes should be deleted also. I wonder what happens if I delete that again. Here, Prisma DB push, we'll see, I don't know. And then it might say, hey, stuff is messed up. I'll give it a second. Yes. Okay, there we go. Because I only want to have one migration for the stack, so this works out. This is not the normal way you would do this. Okay, cool. So now the seed has been executed. Let's do this. Let's log in. We'll do the login script. And then we'll delete user script. Just make sure that works. Sweet. Okay, good news. So now we'll run the test. Hold on a second. Oh, I've already got it running. So let's go. Where is it? Here it is. And over here. Refresh. So I've already got a command at the end to delete the user that was created. Exec. Okay, here we go. All test emails must end with @example. Okay. Oh, .org. Okay. That's interesting. Boo. Okay. Let's try, we're gonna update our login test. User name @example.com. Here we go. Good news. Sweet. All right, so now if I run Prisma Studio, should only have, I think, like 2 users, 1 user. Sweet. Yeah, the example.org. I thought I had a seed script that created a user, but apparently not. So delete 1 record, save. Yeah, then let's go to password, right? Good. And note. Awesome. Okay, so we'll do this one more time. Rerun all of this. Ooh, I feel so good about this. So we create a new user. And we delete that user. And when we're all done, we have no notes, we have no new passwords, we have no new users. Yes, this is exactly what we want. Okay, cool. So probably should document this in some way, in some fashion. I think those scripts have what they need. Kind of thinking, kind of think I can put those in support. Cypress support. Okay, I want to try one thing. Oh, and this is going to need to go up 1 more directory. And delete user will also. Kind of feel like it would be cool if I could have a simple command that runs any support file without having to do all this stuff. No, it's fine. Yeah, okay, I want to see what happens if we get a login error. So throw new error, blah. And I think login is the wrong name for this. It should really just be what's the word? Create user. Since we have a delete user, kind of makes sense that it would be called create user. Cypress support create user. Okay, anyway. Okay, yeah, so I don't think I need all that logging stuff. In fact, it doesn't even seem to work anyway. So that simplifies this a fair bit. Okay, cool. Okay, let's just run it one more time, make sure it'll pass, and then we will push it up. I feel a lot better about this solution than what I had before. So, yeah, that's good. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Sweet. It works. All right. This is good. Very, very good. Let me make sure. Deploy production. Just make sure this is doing. Yeah, we can get rid of anything that says enable test routes. This is good. We just want to start with mocks, so that's all good. Okay. Commit. Okay, good. What am I looking for? Fix Cypress login mechanism and delete and add cleanup. You know what? I'm starting to think. One other thing. After each, let's do sci cleanup user. Sci, where's the we can get rid of cleanup user. Okay, pretty sure that'll work, so I'm not even gonna bother. We'll check it in CI. Oh. I knew I messed that up. That is what it's supposed to be. Yeah. Yeah, this one should cancel. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at Cypress. Downloading deps. Then I need to, wait, yeah, we do have a Vite test, util test, yeah. So we're all set. We've got everything, yep, everything's done. I do still need to figure out tests for components, and eventually it would probably be good to figure out Storybook, but I don't think I'm gonna include that in here. So, yeah, this is good. You know what? I think I want to see if we can do prettier ignore and ESLint ignore and prettier config. Yeah, rats. All right. We have to do a prettier ignore, but we can put the prettier config in the package.json, and I think that I want to do that. yeah, prettier key in the package JSON. So let's do that, package JSON. And so then we can get rid of this prettier RC JSON file. ESLint is, oh, you know what? Well, we haven't released that yet. I don't think so. So eventually we'll be able to get rid of all of this, and it can just use the remix ESLint config, but not quite yet. So ESLint RC needs to be there, but ESLint ignore, ESLint ignore package JSON. There we go. And we'll go to our ESLint ignore, delete that. We don't need to ignore that or that. We don't need that either, because no JavaScript ends up in any of those. At least I don't think so. Yep, so it's just build, public build, and node modules. Sweet. So then, is there anything else? I think we have to keep the Cypress JSON in the root. vtest. I don't think that's, yeah, that's not JSON, so we gotta keep that there. Okay, Cypress passed. Sweet! Good news. I don't know what that means, but I don't really care. It says it passed. TypeScript didn't, though. Huh. Oh, I bet it's, yeah, I bet it is from the Cypress side of things. Yep, okay, so yeah, that is tricky. So what we're gonna do is a little tricky as well. We'll just copy this over here. Let's try that now. TSC B Cypress. Oh, right. There we go. Sweet. Simplify config and fix Cypress TS config. Okay, awesome. We should finally be able to deploy this thing. I just have to get used to my arm feeling this way. It's weird, like this whole part of my arm doesn't have feeling, and we read up last night and like this is super normal. Could be like this for the next year, or it could be like this for the rest of my life. I just got to get used to it. Just, Okay, good news. Can't remember how long Cypress typically takes, but you do have to start Docker Compose and all that, so. Yeah, I'm not super thrilled about this Sleep 3. But okay, just double checking something. Yeah, okay, good. I wonder. Let's do create user. And would I be able to do this? No way, it totally works. Sick, that's awesome. And then that'd be this. Nice. And then it doesn't like that because it doesn't exist. Oh, sweet. Simplify, Cypress, scripts. Yeah, good news. Oh shoot, I just pushed. It's probably gonna cancel. Or did I push? Yeah, I did. Dang it. Yeah, canceled. Dang it, now I gotta wait longer. Why did I do that? Oh well. Okay, well, I think we're about done. So yeah, I'm just gonna message friends here. Well, I'll wait until we get a successful deploy, and then I will message the company to ask for input. Yeah, I should probably update the README here. We also have a utility to auto delete the user at the end of your test. Just make sure to run to add this in each test file. Hold on, where's my smoke? That way you can we can keep your local DB clean. Okay, that's as far as we're gonna go with this. Further document Cypress a bit. I'm not gonna push yet though, because I want to see this finish. Oops. Docker build, how long does that take? I don't think we have a cache yet, so it'll take a little bit. And GitHub doesn't send you the output of an existing or a already running step, and so we have to wait until that step has some more output before we can see anything. So we don't know what it's doing. There we go. Writing layers. Okay, good. I've still got an hour 45 on adding supplemental tooling to stacks, and I'm pretty sure I'm done with that. So, or like mostly. It'll just be making sure that everybody's happy with it and whatever. And then the ESLint stuff needs to be updated and stuff. Also, let's just check on updates. Yeah, vtest. Okay, build step is done. Deploy step, here we go. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna bring this over here. You log in to Fly. Can't remember whether I already created this app and its database or not. I think I did. Yeah, so apps that haven't been deployed. Yeah, the DB is up, but the app isn't yet deployed. So I think it'll work. Update deps. Okay. This is good. V0 being deployed. There it goes. Boom. Oh snap. You can totally log in, create a new account. Here, can't.remix.run. I'm not going to use the suggested password because literally everybody can see it right now. I don't want them seeing my notes. Let's create a new login for Fly Stack Notes. Here, and actually save. Boom. Okay, cool. So now nope, that's not right. All right, whatever. We'll just copy paste it. Check your notes. My notes. Woo. Save. Yes. Delete. Yes. Log out. Yes. Log in. There it is. Sign in. Boom. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. This works. Log out, log in, and it's still there. Boom. Oh, yes. Good news. Okay. Here we go. This has auth, and it has Cypress with third-party mocks, services mocks. Yeah, database. Auth with Prisma schema. Third-party service mocking. vtest for unit tests. ESLint. Prettier. TypeScript. And let's get a screenshot. The GitHub CI for both production and staging. So good. Built on top of what Logan did, of course. I forgot to write did. Okay, cool. I gotta bounce to the podcast. So thanks everybody for hanging out. And I'll talk. Well, you can join the podcast actually. Yeah, we'll see you there. Where's my thing? There it is. Bye.